How I wish I could get a robot like this to do my laundry and save me some time to do other stuff. It looks very cool. I can just imagine how interesting it would be to have these robots take over house chores like these. I'd really love it. All the hurdles associated with manual laundry will be a thing of the past. My wonderful helpers will do all the tasks. Imagine my dad shifting this washing machine to another room just to wash the pile of clothes in that room. It's all so tiring. Guess what? All your laundry tasks can be done by AI in one piece. In fact, we're already living with it. That's because the robot is inside the machine. AI senses the weight and fabric type of your clothes and adjusts. It doesn't just spin, it adjusts the water temperature and detergent levels so your favorite sweater doesn't shrink. AI fine-tunes the various modes in real time by using the thermostat. It learns your daily routine and applies it to the timer. It knows you leave for work at 8 a.m. and pre-cools the house just before you get back at 5 p.m. so that everything is ready. It even checks the local weather forecast to decide how hard it needs to work. See how I've been sorted here? Interestingly, apart from the laundry room, AI also features in the kitchen too. Are you surprised? AI-powered appliances learn how you cook and adjust automatically to suit you accordingly. Meal planning and grocery automation is another interesting tool that AI offers to help plan ahead and spend wisely. It does so by automatically generating weekly meal plans and auto-created grocery lists so that you don't leave anything out. It also tailors recipes to you during meal planning and for your grocery shopping, so you don't overspend on meals. AI offers smart reordering when items run low in stock by prompting you, hence reducing food shortage. AI offers smart cooking using the smart ovens, which can detect food type and set the time and temperature accordingly. The oven senses chicken vis-a-vis bread. It then changes the settings as such. This helps to preserve the original taste of the chicken. AI also uses rice cookers and pressure cookers by adjusting the heat based on moisture. This gives the rice a wonderful texture and taste. In short, though AI doesn't cook for you directly, it helps you cook better so you can enjoy a palatable meal always. It does so by offering personalized recipes, where it suggests meals based on diet and ingredients you already have. It tracks what you buy, consume, and what you throw away. It then suggests helpful tidbits that will help in future cooking. These tidbits include recipes to use for leftovers, how to reduce food waste, and better shopping habits. This makes cooking less tiring, less wasteful, and more enjoyable. Don't you think so? Let's take our attention to the smart fridges. AI helps to track food, suggest recipes, and reduce waste. In terms of food safety and freshness, AI helps prevent spoilage by detecting expiration dates on the stored food items. AI helps monitor fridge temperature and warns about unsafe storage. This helps in efficiency of usage and waste reduction. In summary, considering the kitchen and its activities, AI is not replacing cooks, it's just supporting them to bring out the best. Some smart kitchen equipment offer voice assistance by using hands-free help via Google Assistant to set timers and convert measurements. All in all, AI in the kitchen is about convenience, ease of cooking, and efficiency. AI is here. You are already a part of it, so enjoy.